Alright guys, we're at one of our old spots. Got the GPS going today. Looks like it's acquiring signal. We're using our 2S CNHL 4900 mAh 120C Lipos with our stock 1060 ESC and our new motor. It's a SurpassHobby 13 turn Black Can. And I'm not sure it's going to be any faster, but we got to try it out nonetheless. And I do have new tires for my buddy test driver and the mechanic. I'm not sure if they'll make a difference, but we're putting this guy on the track later today, so got to fix our trim. Alright, here we go. I'm hoping for 36 because that's where our last one was. So. Now last time we were here we kind of wrecked our DT-02. Hopefully we won't have that this time. Whew, I love it. Oh, I think we just lost a tire.
Oh yeah.
Now I didn't glue these because I wasn't expecting them to be high speed, but we got a full pull off of it. We got a full pull off of it, so we won't hold it against it. Plus, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna be testing these out on the track.
I'm using these tires.
Yeah,
right,
they grip real nice. You didn't see me flip over even at full speed. So, all right. So yeah, this one's a little slower than the other one. So we'll go back to the other motor. We do have an ESC coming. Hopefully, it'll be here in a couple days. It says the 15th, but I'm hoping for better. And then we'll get out with our faster ESC and the same 2S. But hopefully you guys like and subscribe. It's a fail, but we know the motor's not as fast now. So, and then the only thing we go from there is pinion. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Hopefully you dig, like and subscribe. Hey.